In this video, we're diving into how to use Teamwork.com to manage nonprofit projects effectively. If you're new to the software or just looking for a solid, streamlined way to organize your nonprofit's tasks and communication, you're in the right place. Teamwork.com offers a variety of features that can really elevate how you run your nonprofit, from project management to client collaboration and everything in between. Whether you're managing volunteers, coordinating events, or tracking donations, this platform can help you stay organized and focused on your mission. First things first, Teamwork is known for its easy-to-use interface. When you log in, you'll see a clear, simple dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your ongoing projects. You can create multiple projects and break them down into smaller tasks with deadlines, priority levels, and more. This is key when managing a nonprofit, where there are often a lot of moving pieces to keep track of. One of the best features for nonprofit teams is Teamwork's task management. You can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add checklists to ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. You'll be able to quickly see what's done and what's coming up. The ability to add custom tags like volunteer or event prep makes it easy to filter tasks and stay organized. Collaboration is seamless within Teamwork. You can comment directly on tasks, tag team members in your updates, and attach files or documents. This reduces the back and forth emails and allows everyone involved to stay on the same page. For nonprofits that often rely on external partners or volunteers, this communication streamlines operations and minimizes confusion. Teamwork also has excellent reporting tools. You can generate progress reports to share with stakeholders, track how much time is being spent on each task, and even measure the efficiency of your team. This is invaluable when you need to demonstrate the impact of your nonprofit's work to potential donors or board members. A standout feature for nonprofits using Teamwork is its time tracking tool. If you're tracking volunteer hours or managing staff workloads, this feature is incredibly helpful. Team members can log hours spent on specific tasks, making it easier to report on labor costs, track productivity, or just stay within budget. And if you need a space for all your nonprofit's files, Teamwork has a built-in document storage system. You can keep contracts, promotional materials, and important documents in one central place. This is great for team members or volunteers who may be working remotely, ensuring they have access to everything they need at any time. Another reason nonprofits love Teamwork is the ability to integrate with other tools. Whether you're using Google Drive, Dropbox, or Zoom, you can link those services directly to Teamwork. This reduces the need to jump between multiple apps and ensures your team has everything in one place. You can start using Teamwork for free with the link below, which also comes with exclusive bonuses. Now you might be wondering, how much time do you need to get a handle on this software? The good news is, Teamwork is very intuitive and easy to learn, so you can jump right in. And if you're still curious about what else Teamwork can do, stay tuned till the end. I've got a special bonus waiting for you, a free extended trial that lets you explore even more of Teamwork's powerful features. So, whether you're running a small volunteer team or managing a large nonprofit, Teamwork can streamline your project management, enhance your team's productivity, and help you achieve your nonprofit goals more effectively. Remember, check the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial of Teamwork. And if you want to know more, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with more in-depth guides like this one.